Okay, so today this is going to be my fastest YouTube video ever, and I'm going to show you something that we just discovered, and it is literally the easiest dessert you can make in less than 30 seconds, and we're calling this the healthy, low-fat, vegan Reese's Pieces. So I'm going to show you what you need, and it is dates. And I've got dates here, and you're going to split them in half. Just going to pinch that and take the seed out and just kind of make a little deep little well there. And then you're going to get some peanut butter, and I've got 2 peanut butters here. This one is just peanuts, salt-free, and this one here is creamy, lightly roasted peanut butter, and it has a little bit of salt in it. So this one, as you can see, is a little chunky. It's not as smooth. And so you're just going to take this and you're going to put it in your date like that. And I'm going to do it with the creamy peanut butter so you can see the difference. Like that. And these taste just like Reese's Pieces. So thanks for watching. Enjoy! Okay, after many taste testing, the experts say that the Santa Cruz organic creamy lightly roasted peanut butter with a little bit of salt tastes exactly like Reese's Pieces, where the creamy salt-free version is more of a nutty, non-like Reese's Pieces, but just as good.